It's October, so that means pumpkin recipes. I've got a really easy one for you today, and I hope you enjoy it, so stick around. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a really quick pancake. This is going to be my protein pumpkin pancakes. Not overwhelming with the pumpkin, just a really nice amount. I think you're going to really like it. You put all the ingredients into your blender or your NutriBullet, and then just put it right on your griddle, and they come out perfect every time. Be sure to stay to the end and I will give you the macros for these pancakes. So let's get started. So basic ingredients to make these protein pumpkin pancakes. I've got some pumpkin, and this is pumpkin puree. It's not pumpkin pie filling, whatever. I've got a scoop of Earth Chimp vanilla protein powder. I have some vanilla powder. I have some pumpkin pie spice. I've got some flaxseed, ground flaxseed. I've got oats, these are gluten-free. I've got some baking powder and some soy milk. And then in here, I'm trying something new. This is Aquafaba powder. It's just dried chickpea flour. So we're gonna try it. I need 1.5 teaspoons, that's equal to 1 egg. So we'll see how it turns out. So I'm gonna use my NutriBullet, and everything's just gonna go in here. Got the oats, vanilla powder, protein powder, the spices, or spice, the Aquafaba powder, the flax, little baking powder, and then of course the star of the show, pumpkin. Then we're gonna add in our soy milk. I'm starting with about 3/4 cup. If that's not enough, I'll just add some water to thin it out. All right, I'm gonna go blend it up. Now I've got my Bella griddle heating up, and we're just gonna pour the batter onto the hot griddle. So we'll just let these cook. Regular pancakes, when they get bubbly, a little dry around the edges, then we will flip them. All right, I just did a quick flip and just another minute on this side, and then we're gonna be ready to serve these up. Now this is how I like to finish them up. I have a couple tablespoons of my Greek yogurt, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on each one. This is like butter, like you would do with butter. And I'm going to use my fingers so don't freak out. And this is 1 serving, people. Beautiful. And then I just drizzle a little maple syrup over the top. Just a little bit. There we go. And that's it. If you wanted to add some fruit, that would be great too. All right, let's give these a taste. All right, here we go, finished product. And I've got 5. 4 regular and a little bit smaller one. So you could get 4 large pancakes out of this. Let's give it a taste. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, can you believe this is 1 serving? One more bite and then we'll go over the macros. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, the sweetness from the maple syrup is perfect. It blends well with the pumpkin and the pumpkin spice, and it's not overwhelming pumpkin. So if you're someone that doesn't really like pumpkin, it's not super overwhelming. It's just really good. All right, calories are 437 for that whole plate. And you get, it's 27 grams of protein and 12 grams of fiber. A great high protein breakfast. I mean, I'll eat this for lunch, I don't care. They freeze great. If you want to double or triple the recipe and you want to make extra, you can freeze them. They freeze wonderfully. Just another example of how easy it is to get that protein into your diet. If you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. And if you've made it this far in the video, then comment below with pumpkin pancakes, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate it. The full recipe will be in the description box below, along with the macros. And I have other things in my description box. I have a lot of discount codes for my Earth Chimp protein powder, for my Hume Health Body Pod, which is it's more than a scale. It's something that was really a game changer in my fat loss journey here. Also my Amazon storefront, so you can find all my favorite things in there. Remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.